Roger have a serious word for world dog.
How the fuck somebody can rejoice over somebody meeting in an accident? You sound like it makes sense. What kind of picture on want paint for me? And nobody ever over yes I can say ever. Them say me celebrate or praise over somebody downfall. Never. I don't even discuss people over this bitch. Unless me I run my joke them and me I do it blunt. And anything what me say me can't say me say. Cause no boy can't drip me if me say nothing. No boy. But don't fucking tell no lie upon me. And go fabricate on a story. And I come talk say, me say and whatever and whatever. Show me the proof of what I said. Show me the screen record where you see of me calling your name or speaking about you. I don't need to justify my actions because I know what I fucking did. But I don't come fabricate nothing. Because one I try though, one I try paint this fucking bad picture upon me like me is a look a pussy. What the fuck am I doing, bruh? So I'm addressing you now, world dog. I don't need to come with another try. This wasn't even about that. I not come for try this year. I try no. I you must see I try do them thing the G. I'm still not try this year. I just clutch. So why you tell me when you hear me talk about your accident and oh you got church because you fall off. Yeah, say what you wanna say. Because he that exalt himself shall be abased, and the man that's humble shall be exalted. Anumaroka imoka. He that exalt himself shall be abased. And if you don't know the Bible, you go read that.